Good evening, everyone. It's amazing to see so many new faces. I'm sure all of you know who we are at this point, and we know most of you as well. We, your senior class, remember exactly what it felt like to be here for the first time. We were excited, maybe a little overwhelmed, and ready to take on anything. Or at least we thought so. Today, we're here to say, Welcome to the Willy Brandt School. Let me start by saying you've made an excellent choice, choosing to study public policy in the land of efficiency, of precision, and of trains that are sometimes only 20 minutes late. You're in good hands. Here, you're not only just studying policy, you're becoming part of the community that thinks critically and acts courageously. Public policy isn't just about understanding the rules, but about shaping them, challenging them, and let's be honest, completely rewriting them.
You're here to learn how to craft solutions that impact communities and address global challenges. As future policymakers, activists, and leaders, you'll spend the next 2 years grappling with real-world problems. You'll debate passionately, analyze endlessly, and occasionally, you'll probably change your mind, and that's okay. Growth is supposed to be uncomfortable sometimes. It's how we get from where we are to where we need to be. And here comes the point of thinking critically, because this program isn't about memorizing facts and figures. Here, you're going to be asked to think deeply, to question and to analyze. And at points, you will be forced to look at things from a new and potentially uncomfortable vantage point, because your peers with different beliefs and experience will make you do so. And believe me, some of the biggest growth you'll experience will come from challenging your own beliefs and assumptions. So don't be afraid to wrestle with new ideas, to let go of the old, and to explore perspective you hadn't considered before.
Don't forget, there's a whole world outside of the classroom. Get involved. The campus has so much to offer, whether it's joining the Shura or the student government or the many clubs that are at the Brandt School and also at the university. They're more just acronyms. They're communities of students that, just like you, want to make things happen. So do you want to make a change, bring new ideas? These groups are here for you. You'll meet people, gain confidence, and probably discover a few skills that you didn't even know you had. And go beyond Erfurt. Germany is a gorgeous country, and there's always so much to do and so much to see. Don't waste your weekends. Use your Deutschland ticket to the max. And we're in Europe, come on. We're not in the US with crazy distances. In 3 hours, you'll be in another country. So this is your opportunity to experience new cultures, learn new catchphrases and new languages, and try out new food. Get ready to learn more about yourself than you might have even expected. This place has a way of testing you, pushing your limits, and yes, also showing you what exactly you're capable of. There will be late nights, there will be moments of doubts, and there will be assignments that seem impossible to do. Trust me, we've been there. We've given presentations in front of Professor Goldthal and Professor Grimm.
And it's not as scary as it seems, don't worry.
But we've also had moments of laughter, of friendship, and of realizing that we're stronger than what we thought we were. So when things get tough, remember, you're not alone. You have each other, you have us, and you have this community that's standing by your side.
Class of 2026, you're here because you believe in something bigger than yourselves. You believe in the power of policy to change lives. You believe in equality, justice, and in building bridges across cultures, nations, and ideas. That's why we're all here, and that's what makes the school so special. So here's our challenge to each of you. Embrace this journey fully and ask hard questions, push boundaries, find solutions in unlikely places. And remember, while it may feel intense, every paper you write, every class you take is preparing you to tackle the complex, messy, but ultimately rewarding work of public policy.
So on behalf of the student government, we're here for you on every step of the way. We will navigate this all together, and our doors will be always open for you for support, guidance, and yes, maybe the occasional much-needed beer. So welcome to the next chapter of your journey. Let's make it one that counts. Thank you, and let's get to work.